we need to start going to sleep on time. Maybe start waking up at 4 o'clock like Gaurav, or 5 o'clock like Vikram, and sleep on time and do all those things. So all of us know that.
5 a.m. club.
The 5 a.m. Because if we start planning, if we start scheduling, if we start investing in ourselves, we'll reach there. Becoming a CEO is, the question should be, why not become the Prime Minister of the country?
It's good.
So, in case we can plan to become the CEO, we can plan to become the Prime Minister of the country also. It's not that different from each other. So, the pathways to achieve both of them, we already know. But what stops us from doing that? So, where we come from, where I am coming from, is that all of us have all the information, but implementing that information into action is a challenge. What stops us? So could there be some wiring in our brain which prevents us from achieving that implementation? And could that wiring be changed? So I'll just take 15-16 minutes to demonstrate 2 mind techniques whereby we can change that mindset, and we can maybe learn these techniques as learning professionals to bring in the overnight results. Like I said, all the workshops that we do is 10 to 12 hours, and the improvement on those metrics is up to 70%. So how can those mind techniques be used? So first, let me give you a demonstration of how powerful this wiring is. So I'll use a 1 minute activity, and this activity has 2 parts. In the first part, I'll ask you to imagine that you are brushing your teeth with your weak hand. So if you are a right-hander, how many of us are left-handers here? So only Nikhil. So in the first part, you are also left-handed.
No.
So in the first part, I'll ask you to imagine that you are brushing your teeth with your left hand. All of you imagine that you are doing it from the right hand. And in the second part, I'll ask you to imagine that you are brushing your teeth with your right hand, and Nikhil would imagine. So please sit with your neck and back straight. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. And out. And release and just relax. Very nice. Put your entire focus on your breathing. Keep breathing in, keep breathing out. Just relax. Very nice. Now just imagine that you have your toothbrush in your left hand.